Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable control on the iPhone lock screen. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Face ID and passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode, so go ahead and do that. Once you're in the Face ID and passcode menu, scroll down to the section that says Allow access when locked. Here, you'll see an option for Control Center with a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn off the toggle next to Control Center. Now, Control Center access is disabled on the lock screen, meaning you'll need to unlock your phone first to access it. This can be helpful for privacy and security, especially if you don't want anyone to control settings from your lock screen. And that's it. Now, Control Center is turned off on the lock screen. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.